$50, $90, and $100 are paid out in one day with no investment required, and the best part is that it works in every country, including the United States, Canada, India, Nigeria, and Pakistan. All you have to do is upload files and earn $14 per file you upload. This is a secret method that not a lot of people know, so keep watching till the end of this video to make big money. This is how to earn money by uploading files this year. The name of this site is Up4ever.com, one of the best paper upload websites. This site will help you make money by uploading files. Basically, when you upload your files on the site, it will create a unique link for your files, and whenever someone clicks on that link, you will make money. Click on the Payment Proofs option, and you will find many Up4ever payment proofs on this page. Now, click on Make Money, and on this page, you will find how file uploaders earn money. This is the table of profit per 1,000 downloads. As you can see, if people from Tier 1 countries download your files, you will earn $7 per 1,000 downloads. From Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries, you will earn $4 each, and from Tier 4 countries, you will get $3. Under this table, you can see the Tier 1 country includes the United States and Canada, Tier 2 includes Australia, Tier 3 includes Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, and Tier 4 includes all other countries left. I will show you how to get the audience to download your files from the US and Canada for free, so like this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on, and stay tuned until the end to make money. The thing I like the most about this site is that they have many payment methods, making it easy for all country members to withdraw their money using the payment methods available in their country. There is PayPal, Payer, Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other payment methods. You can see that they have paid plans also, but we don't need paid plans to make money with it. We will use the normal membership, which is free. Click on the Sign Up option at the top. On the next page, create your username, password, retype your password, and submit your email, and you will be taken to your dashboard. They will give you 120 gigabytes of storage for free, meaning you can upload many files and make big money with this site. On the left side, you will see many options. I suggest you complete your payment information first. If you come from Algeria, Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco, or Turkey, you have separate options available to withdraw your earnings. Now, choose your payment method, fill in your details, and click on Save Settings at the bottom of the site. Now, I want you to click on Upload Files, and it will take you to the next page. Read these two notifications carefully, and after that, click on Choose File and select the file or image you want to upload on Up4ever.com. You can see the file and add a description to it if you want, and after that, simply click on Start Upload, and it will start uploading the file. After this, click on the file, and it will show you many different links that you can use, but for this method, we will use this download link only. Whenever someone clicks on this link, Up4ever will show some ads to them, which will help Up4ever make money, and they will share their earnings with us. Now, I want you to come over to YouTube and search for Scary Rising Sound Effect. As you can see, on a 35-second video, they have got over 800,000 views, and there are many small 11-second videos with over 30,000 views and 50,000 views. These sound effects are not created by them. They have simply uploaded them to YouTube from other copyright-free websites. Don't worry, I will show you where you can find unlimited copyright-free sound effects for free. Most of these channels are not even monetized with AdSense, yet they earn $1,000 to $3,000 per month using the secret method to make money online that I am about to reveal. What they exactly do is download sound effects from other sites, upload them to Up4ever.com, and leave their Up4ever download link in the description of these videos. Like this video, they have an Up4ever download link and make a ton of money doing this. Now, imagine if you get only 100,000 views in 30 days, you will still be able to make $700, and it is very easy to get 100,000 views on this kind of video. Moreover, people looking for different sound effects for their videos, 90% of them, end up clicking on your download link in the description because they need it for their YouTube video. Now, to find unlimited copyright-free sound effects, you have to go to pixabay.com. This site will help you find different copyright-free sound effects, and the more sound effects you upload, the more money you make. For this, click on Sound Effects at the top, and on this page, you can find unlimited sound effects that you can use for this method. If you type Scary Suspense in the box, it will show you many sound effects similar to the YouTube videos I showed you. If you want to make more money, click on the video showing on the screen right now.